out golden oldies at Nasrec over the weekend for the Classic Car Show, and spectators were also treated to some high-speed drifting.
Yeah, in Johannesburg alone, I believe that there's over 3,000 classic cars in excellent condition. So that is the reason why I do a show is because to get the family together. I drive through to Cape Town, I drive through to Rustenburg, I drive to all the owners and I ask them to come through and I invite them to the show. So there's a lot of time and effort. It takes about 4 or 5 months to do a show like this. Firstly, they expect to see classics, muscle cars, hot rods, and also some bikes.
It is our first time. It's wonderful displays. We're very passionate about cars and bikes, everything, so we thought we'd come and check out what we've got.
In actual fact, yeah, I've got 2 cars on the stand. It's my first time. And what's going on is amazing. I've never seen something like this in my entire life.